Hello everyone, this is my review of the 8 Fans Waterproof Backpack Dry Bag. This backpack is very versatile. It's pretty comfortable when you wear it, and it has good shoulder straps on it, and it also has a handle you can carry it around. Also pads in the back to cushion you when you're carrying it as a backpack. There's a cup holder in there, and it's very large. You have 3 different sizes of 40, 30, and 50. This one's a 30, but you can see it has a lot of room in there. It also has an inner pouch. It also comes with a waterproof bag for your cell phone as well. I'll show you that later. But right now I'm going to put some clothes in there, seal it up, and show you how good it is on the water, or in the water. I'm also putting my phone in the waterproof bag that comes with the backpack as well. Once you seal it up right, this bag can be used as a flotation device. As soon as you put it in the water, it starts to float. And you can see all the resistance getting, trying to push it underneath the water. It won't even go underneath the water. So this is a very good bag for keeping yourself dry and not drowning. Also, I got my phone in the waterproof bag, and got it here filming even underwater. As you can see, no water is getting inside the bag, so that's a good bag as well for protecting your phone. Now we're going to check the contents of the bag to see if everything is okay and nothing got wet while it was in the water. And you can see that everything looks dry and nice and preserved. And my phone is also dry as well, even though I had it underneath the water. So this product is good, and I hope this